So I have more time on my hands now and I thought let's start making some videos. I'm just going to be showing you how I got these results. I did not start the video looking like this. This is what I look like at the start of the video. This is day 2 here, but the thing is when I showered 2 days ago, showered my hair 2 days ago, I shower every day. I didn't put any styling product in my hair. I was just very lazy. I tied it in a very tight bun, kind of like this, and then it dried like that. And so I've been with this crazy mess for 2 days, and today I've decided, you know what, I want pretty curls. You might not have the exact products that I'm using, and that's okay. Basically you just need a leave-in conditioner and a styling gel or a mousse or anything to hold the curls. As for leave-in conditioners, some conditioners that you use in the shower can be used as a leave-in, so you just need to check the label. Also, if you have any other questions, you can just ask me in the comments or send me a DM. I'm going to be using 2 of my favorite products today. This is my favorite combo. First is the leave-in by Curly, and then second, I don't even know if you can see these, is Botanical Gel by Curls. But first, I'm going to go and wet my hair and I'll be back. Okay, hair's all wet. Let's get started. What I'm going to do first is section my hair in half. If you have really thick hair, you can section it into more sections, like 4, 4, 4. I'm gonna start with Curly leave-in. So your hair should be a bit wetter than this. If you have a spray bottle, you can just fill it up with water and spray some more. But I just moved to Australia last week and I forgot to bring mine, so I just have some water in a bucket. And I'm just gonna go ahead and, oops, let me put a towel because it's gonna get messy. Dip my hand in water. Now that my hair is decently wet, I'm just going to go in with some leave-in, and I don't use too much. This leave-in has amazing slip and it smells really good. I bought this one from an Australian website called St. Curl, and I basically put that much. You can always add more, but start with less. I like to put less product in my hair because that way I have more volume. And you just want to work that through your hair. Focus first on the ends and then towards the top. And then I further section it a bit and work the product in more. I'm just going to use my brush a little bit and always start brushing from your ends and then move up to the top. That's one side done. I'm just going to fast forward while I do the second side. I'm going to go ahead and start adding the botanical gel. I'm not going to be adding too much first, and then if I need to, I can add more. Just a little bit. And then what I do is I tilt my head to the side just so that it's easier to separate the curls. Because if it was this way, we're just brushing down and it's still stuck to our head. Whereas this way, we can rake the product in. Well, at least that's what I feel. And then what I do is I add a bit more, and then I focus on this front section because these 2 top sections are what show most. And then depending on how much time I have, I take just enough hair that forms a curl and I wrap it around my finger. This is called finger coiling. Just like that. So that gives you really defined curls. And so if you focus, you can see little bits here at the back that look like they're gonna frizz. So what I do is I just add a bit more water on my fingertips, go over them and finger coil, and that's going to tame it. So when I'm done doing that, I scrunch my hair, first using my hands, and then I go in with a cotton t-shirt. I'm just going to come forward so you can see how defined these guys are. Just like that. Then I go in with this cotton t-shirt. And this is gonna take off any excess water and product. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward this side and then I'll be back. Okay, so now all that's left to do is to dry them. You can either air dry them or use a diffuser. I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse off camera and then I'll be back to show you the results.